Yo, check it out. Yes, your boy Goodwin, the host in the building. You know how we do it. It's more than just a game. It's a lifestyle. Let's go! Yo, the host 喺度唔係講玩，係講緊信念。交地線羽毛球係我哋嘅門面，一口氣由心發出嗰種熱血，正能量改變社會，唔係靠講，係靠自覺。古語有云：修心齊家治國平天下。If you wanna change the world， 先要顧好國家。無強言睇拍你點樣去衝，喺球台上面每日板都要擊得中。勝負由天定，我哋一早睇透，贏得更多朋友全靠胸襟闊厚。社會風氣由我嘅信念起航，保持呢份熱誠，我哋一齊去闖。The host we keep it real, we keep it fresh， 唔理輸定贏 ，we always give our best。6月13號 ，remember the day，Can sports meet us there？Don't be late。有經歷有活過先明白打拼嘅意義，唔係單打獨鬥，係為咗未來嘅下一代人。六隻床食兩餐有乜大不了？最重要係初心永遠唔會變少。Look at the gear， 今期 Alien Camo 最火，幫手揾出隱世高人，你同我都係我。支持 Cherry 示愛中心，幫到更多人。初心純正交朋友，每一位都係自殘。Stay hungry for the good things， 堅持到底，好嘅文化由我哋做起。Exactly。Oh Canada， 呢度係我哋嘅地方，羽毛球飛過係希望嘅光芒，由 The Host 帶頭打出新風氣。如果你想加入，就快啲嚟登記。Support the Host Charity Tournament June 13th Can Sports， 快啲嚟報名啦，唔好等啦。Badminton for a cause，I'll see you there baby。